In Bhavaviveka's wisdom lamp, there is a verse that praises the principle of dependent arising. It states, "Not different, not the same, not annihilated, not permanent. This is the essential nectar of the Dharma taught by all conquerors." The Buddha proclaimed the teaching of emptiness that is beyond distinction and identity, annihilation, and permanence. In this world, only the Buddha possesses the wisdom to bestow such unexcelled teaching, which is the soul nectar that is capable of pacifying all mental afflictions. If we comprehend the meaning of dependent origination and emptiness, we will be able to cut through all mental fabrications and afflictions and let go of any kind of attachment. In this way, we can eventually lead happy and easygoing lives and enjoy the ultimate freedom possessed by the great enlightened masters of history.